We don't sit under Gidigba post on top how they be for we state, on top all the matter, the one we consign everybody for Edo State. How we government they work out for una matter. Waiting with the plans we government get. And today Gidigba we get two ogbonge person for inside studio with us for T-Live Media. We say they go use their mouth, they give us better information about themselves. Waiting them they do, waiting with the work where they do for the people where they we state. And now we stay don't they work out on top of una matter. My name never changed. My name is Nanima Shagumo, and I deal with
Mandela Obaseki, SSA to the Governor, Special Duties and Social Enterprise.
Okay, beg. Let me introduce yourself.
My name is Emmanuel Luso. Now maybe the Oga we dey in charge of Wealth Creation Ministry, Cooperatives and Employment for Edo State.
My people for us now the informate now I don't hear. So these people wait and like they put for studio today. Now people waiting on top job matter, money matter, how everything take they roll for we state, how we take they chop for money. Where we say the food go reach us reach evening when we work come up for work. Oga Mandela, as you be saying now you be the senior special assistant to the governor on top special duties and social enterprise. Give us better information. Waiting they happen for inside your office. Waiting be the work where that office they do for the people where they will state.
My office, as you know, we get two sections. You say special duties and social enterprise. Special duties give me the opportunity to go enter any project. So my guys will send me any message, go this ministry, go do this, informate or advice on any project. So that gives me the opportunity. But I get my senior Oga, will be SA, special duties, will be my senior Oga Yakubu. Special duties, my office, they work under my other Oga, will be commissioner, will follow me. But my main focus now, my other section, which is social enterprise, which is mainly for the people. And me, now my passion, I'm a people's person. So the social enterprise, the main core, what we do now to basically come up with initiatives or see which initiatives they are available. Who we tell government say this initiative is nice, so we feel solve social problems. So from social vices, so from food or from anything, from education, from school, anything. Anything social. That's my angle to create initiative where we better our social economic activities for Edo State. Anything social, we feel about people are there inside there, and there my office there.
Honorable Commissioner, you don't explain now, you say they work with SA, they work with the people, but he can't make mention of something, say in office, he join body with your place, saying they don't with you. Explain waiting connect to now, the way they call her, waiting with synergy, where they between two of them, because we don't see many programs where your office and your office don't do. Waiting with the thing where the two of them now join body together and they do for the people within the states.
Thank you very much. The place where you not talk well, maybe that enterprise. Now big English now they speak. Enterprise means how to do business and make money. And you know, say the major thing will be my responsibility for this state now, how people will take make money. And they call creation of wealth. And once you don't create wealth, it means you don't employ people. If you don't employ people that they come many, you can't teach them how to cooperate so that they will come, they save money by themselves, come they get what they call capital to do other businesses. That enterprise aspect of it, now connect me and how we go take do small people. We will come become big people. We will come get plenty money for our states. Our people, one better thing where they don't sabi they do from time Imo River. Now see they sabi use their hand to do business. They know they wait for even government to come help them. They find their own money, they sabi save their own small money, come gather and come plenty. That's why they hear say they say one woman fry akara, use and carry pikin go abroad. Fry akara, use and train 5 pikin for university. Our people sabi do those kind of things. So when we consider this generation where still they so, they sabi that kind of thing. The only thing where they don't know, we say they don't know where they go for sell the things we then get. We see say plenty farmers like Mandela talk now, plenty farmers come, people where they do small business then come, but they don't know where they go sell those things we then get. Even for our farmers where they are with villages, they get plenty products. But before they harvest their products, especially like plantain not they stay past 5 days if you cut them for farm. It don't ripe, and if it ripe, it don't spoil. Then we say, what do we go do for these people? Maybe we bring them come Benin, where they go for sell the food and sell all the products wey dem get for all their villages and make plenty money. We not stop there. We say if we wan bring dem come from village, make it not be say dem spend their money take come Benin and their profits e come chop for inside for transport. We say we go carry motor go their villages, carry their food come, carry them come Benin. They go sell at the rate wey they go make profit, and they go still sell wey go be say e go better pass the normal market wey people dey sell. That business conclave wey we do. Another thing wey the thing don do be say e don open our eyes too. Say Edo people ready to do business. The only thing wey they dey look for na who go organize them so that they go fit do the business and make plenty money. And na that one make us stand gidigba. Two of us say we must make Edo people get money starting with this December. And as we start, we no go stop until everybody don make plenty money. And if they don't make plenty money, may they not forget two of us. May they bring what they call prophet offering for us.
On top of that prophet offering, before they begin, they bring the money come give them. Before we enter the Edo food fair, the one we meet two of them like with us for studio today. So the SMEs where they will stay down at the small medium enterprise owners, people they say small shekelating, one they organize all the programs them for. So far so good. How they don't take bring money come with state? How they don't throw away body? Waiting the state don't get from their throw away body. Because many seminars don't go on for them. Pay. Okay. As we sit down, no. Waiting be the record.
The first thing we don't do, we don't organize and say we don't know how many them be. Before, this one they do young for Sokoto, this one they do young for Kano, this one they do young for Kafancha. Nobody know them. Number two, nobody know the kind of thing whether they do. But now we don't create what they call database. So we don't know who feed they sell grinded pepper go America. Who feed they do crayfish grinder and go America. Who feed they process gari into 1 kg, 2 kg. We don't know them now. We don't also organize and say, we don't they show them whether they get what they call funding. Not be loan, no. Loan they one side. We they show them whether they see loan. We they show them whether they see funding. Free funding where they say they feel not even pay interest. Loan where we say if they will pay interest, na small interest they will pay. As we don't organize them, we don't get data for them. The next thing now, what will they do for them? Will they show them the market? Where they go for they sell their things, whether for Obodo Igbo or for local Nigeria. For Nigeria, we get plenty people for our country. Our country don't reach, according to census, almost 200 million. That's a big market for Nigeria. How much more Africa? How much more Obodo Igbo? So as we don't organize these people now, then they are big with us. For next year, what will remain for us? We say when we don't over-organize them, we will go bring money. Because say small money for small business. When the federal government and the state government they do now, when they don't get that plenty small money to do plenty business, it means say themselves will come employ people. If 1,000 SMEs employ two people, you know how many people with that. So when they employ those people, we go help those people also train. When those people when they employ, those two people when 1,000 people employ, they train them. Those one go also go start their own. They will also come employ other people. We will come make say plenty people will come get plenty things so that they do, so that bad things could reduce for our society.
Who entered the main cocoa? Mama started with the house. He asked me a question this morning. He saying don't they hear of Edo food fair? What do they want to do? Now I tell her, I say, make she calm down, make she cool it. Today for we studio here till live media now we walk. So they carry all the tori give them for house. Make she sit down, they look us. Explain, but I know say she go don't call her friend. Her friend go don't call him brother. The 1 year. Why food won't Sarah put for them? Why we state government won't throw away food for grant give them? Let me explain give them for house. Why this program they come up? Waiting be the main cocoa wait they near this program. We be say all of them for we state. Now want me they throw away body put to join on for the program.
Edo food fair, the main focus now to say this year one end, government only do better things throughout this year with our Oga Patapata, our governor. He don't give us opportunity to show our ideas. As we tell them our idea, we say that's a good one, go and execute. So not be Oga with the restrict us. Now with my Oga here, we sit down, say okay, How we want to lighten the mood? Yeah, why? Not say yeah, we just end like that. Say nothing. Different things they happen for the state, but we need something maybe say people will take the but at the same time it will save their pockets. Commissioner don't talk many things how we want to bring farmers come down. But the meaning, say you talk about database, which is very important. Because of the database we collect, we will collect when no business complete and one we state get. We don't put them together. And as they organize, we feel come know. Now we take contact of the farmers where they outside. May they take come village. Not like I said before, we say call this one, make this one. No, they all we get their database. All of them they come there on that day. Normally, within Christmas, things they increase, price of food they increase. People will they complain. My mom's are talking the tell begin and say where you go see money take buy bag of rice, take buy beans. And this program we want to do so will give my mom's at all. Even if you and friends where they sit down, they watch us, so they put money together. Bag of rice.
Okay, make I help you.
Help me.
You see, say people they shout, say bag of rice. 18,000. Where am I see money? Tomato basket 24,000. Onions once you don't reach Christmas at 35,000 for bag, 40,000. Vegetable oil, clean one, better one. People say that one not go reach us, so because of that they go they buy fake for market. Drinks like Coca-Cola, the one way Guinness they produce, the one way Nigerian brewery they produce. You can't say. Make we talk to the people where they produce and make it not pass hand before it reach the consumer hand. Make them bring those things come the market where we want to do for this Christmas period. Make people keep their money. Make them not use 18,000, 20,000 to buy rice. From on the 10th where we won't start, they will see rice, what it beneath they call opweke. Cheap article but good rice for cheap money. They will see vegetable oil cheap. Onions, we don't strike deal, we don't sign agreement. Me and Mandela pull stamp with Hausa people. Say onions, they feel they sell 40,000 for bag for anywhere. Our own market. Now pocket money. Vegetable oil, we go meet the people where they do power oil, where they call Indomie. Do field company where they do Indomie. They go bring Indomie come. They will sell Indomie for pocket money, not the money that they sell for market. They will sell power oil. Dynamic, Minimi, Springles,
so
plenty things where that company they bring. Then we don't get big farms like Captain Osa farms, fresh Obonge tomato. We not break. Not the way the basket we can't do as if it don't collapse. The tomatoes fresh. If you see them, you never want to cook and don't want chop them like that. The Katosa will bring it home. No sack farm go bring garri. All lamb where they do rice, they go bring their rice. And plenty things where people go bring concept. There are our farmers where they here. We go use trailer go bring the crop from village. Yam, garri, rice, beans, even tomato. Where they produce for here, plantain.
Palm wine.
We even say palm wine. For people who want to drink fresh palm wine, not the one who come make your eye come they see double. We bring all of them. No missing for the palm wine.
So now on December, no we go.
When they don't bring those things come, inside we get the place where they call food fair. Any food where you want to eat, Mama Ebu prepare rice. They inside the place. Ogbelaka, Amala, it inside there. GT, it dey. Sizzlers, it dey. Mr. Biggs, it dey. All the people
money.
They you go see one big place where any kind of food where you want chop. Banga soup, okpolo soup where you go lick your hand from your elbow. Can't reach here. Can't do the figure.
Bitter leaf soup, black soup.
You go see outside there. When you don't chop, as you dey chop, you dey buy drink for yourself at reduced money. And for people who won't buy crates, say for December, we don't observe say Coca-Cola product, 7-Up product, Guinness malt, that is scarce. So we can say Coca-Cola, 7-Up, we can promise us, all of them. We will sell drinks cheap and it will plenty and Sarah for inside our place. That one, can't day for there. We not stop for there. We say children, since children they here, they will enjoy themselves, they will see Father Christmas. This Father Christmas, not be the kind Father Christmas where they don't do for here. This Father Christmas, make I tell you,
Na special
our own
package.
gift. Me and Mandela, we go London. We not dey talk and make people the thing say we just want to talk. We go London, go buy gift. Not be the one that they give plastic. Or those Father Christmas they give rubber, cellophane. No. We bring skates where those children they will climb and they will just we bring them come from Ogbonge, London. Say when children come, they go see say yes. On top of that, Indomie don't tell us say for the children where they come, they go cook food for them.
For free. For 2 days.
Coca-Cola don't tell us say the children when they come see for their Christmas, summer and one drink, make it drink. If you come 2 times, summer and 2.
Fidelity will go.
Fidelity say they will take their own day, they will cook. Another company say they will cook. Any pikin will come there, go see. So we want to chop. We want to dey chop.
They never even born for those days.
Make them bring am chop.
There's the mama chop, it go feed the
For
pikin.
checkele money, because for that to see for that Christmas, I can tell you one thing now. One of the days, Mandela will be for that Christmas. Another day, Deputy Governor will be for that Christmas. We don't arrange all those things. So for that Christmas, now best way you go feel touch, where you go see. Not do you don't do music, you don't dance like this, they keep your papa. Now we want to see the people make them feel us. Make them say we care about them. That be this.
Mama, just small break for that place before we enter Express Road again. I don't hear all these Yuletide, shekele money. Now the shekele money, how you want take help you? How you want take create wealth for we state? Because we know say we government now to reach the people.
The wealth we they create, not be for our pocket. Who be government? Government are the people. When the people get money, government get money. Make I tell you how it help government. If plenty people get work, plenty people they do business, the people wey go dey do bad things go reduce. The money wey government be safe, make it take go do security, e go use am go do so. If the people healthy, they chop better food, hunger not beat them, they no go dey run hospital. If you dey drink bad drink for night, na because you know eat better food. If you come well, you eat better food, you no go hospital. So money wey government want to buy medicine for hospital, use am tar road. So that one now go dey create wealth for the people. If the people are wealthy, the government is wealthy. So our own first na to create wealth for the people. When the people don't wealthy, they don't get plenty money, them say we can't think how we go take do our own responsibility to government. We suppose pay small tax. Government, how we go take help you make we pay our tax? If the people are happy, they will come find how they want to pay tax. Now, person wey not happy, when you say go bring tax, the eye way go take look you. So if the people are wealthy, government is wealthy.
So no verse we get one area we compare now never touch for you. Not be say we just want to gather people, make they come free or those. Not be only that one. We dey bring people wey be say on a normal they not go ever dey together for the same place to one place. So not just come there, say you want shop. Yeah, we put extra things away good for the people. But you need to also open your eye. You know, they say you can take a man to the river, you know, if you teach how to drink water. So if you go there, for my young people, for people where the market, as you reach there, if you will come from village, who will the transport come from village? Maybe say before you, they only say you not get channel. The big people go there. People will go buy for you, will never know you before. If you like your product, you don't exchange number. For now, people, so we are giving people networking. What you call networking. And again, we get one word when I do read supply chains, what they call disintermediation in supply chain, where you remove middleman and you do direct, so the thing will be cheaper. Only for 11 days. So if we buy one verse with the market, we say with the first, we know not just 11 days. After 11 days, everybody can go back to market and buy for normal price. But for 11 days, we won't get price. Opportunity to network, to talk to a big person. Now, if you go there, you just go enjoy, collect, chop free food, go house. Now, that won't be your benefit, go house with that one. But if you go there, you sell your thing, or you get small money, you want to enter business, you don't want to enter business, you see person who do vegetable, they do onions, and you see that they say, but I'm a farmer. You feel say, okay, me not one farm, but you the farm, I go fund you. So they bring relationship when normally people not do, because not be everything now go with government job. Government, my oga, because everyone always tell me, government has no business doing business, but creates the enabling environment make people come do business.
Okay, make I add 2 things where make we not go forget. Inside this Obonge program, we will do so. We get one part of it where we want connect people where they inside food matter with the people where they do the food matter. We dey bring big people for CBN, Development Bank of Nigeria, CAC, SON, NAFDAC, Nexim Bank, Nigeria Export Promotion Council, and many other people wey go show the people. If you don't produce your product here, or you not see money take financer, how you go waka? That one dey happen on the 10th. Anybody wey dey do farm matter, wey dey do agric matter, wey dey produce, wey dey fry garri for village and you want to dey carry the garri go abroad, you don't know how you want to do am, we dey organize that one on the 10th.
That's the first day.
That's the first
that
day.
one open. Now that one maybe one action.
Yes, no.
You know, say when government carry program come out, say they won't do this, they won't do that. The mind of the people now they tell you so. They go tell you, they don't do list. They don't write the name of the people.
No, anybody won't register. Okay. We get place where they go for register.
No, my commissioner, I'm not sure say you get to GP to ask you.
You know understand me.
You know, say people get this perception, this mindset. Say,
no, we don't get list. Anybody where they interested, we say I dey do agric, I dey do farm for village. They don't know me before. Nobody even knows I dey Yekoremo or Via, or nobody knows I dey Umode or Ego or Igobaka or for Asian land or for Akoko Edo. But because I dey do farm, I don't know how I go take do this thing. Even Bible tell us say the matter where person will not get knowledge they do, they suffer everybody because you don't know how you go take reach big city. That's why they bring out for pidgin English now. Say if you they do this business or farm, but you never really they make money for inside, and you want to make money inside, and you want your farm to big, and you know they do small farm where you and your wife and your people just they dig. You want to make a big farm. Come this program on the 10th. We will show you how you will take be part of it. No matter who you be, whether you be small farmer, you be big farmer, all of them will meet big people and small people that day where your farm business will come improve. That's one way I want to talk. The second one I want to talk, we will never talk. Let me say, Christmas food not the complete to if meat's not inside. From chicken to cow to ram to goat to turkey, any kind meat where you want buy, we get them for there that day at small price. We even come make arrangements. Say they fit kill your meat for the small slaughter we will set up that day. 4 people fit come together and buy one cow way big for small money, and then they go help the killer, they go help the dresser. The same thing with chicken, the same thing with turkey, the same thing with goats, the same thing with ram. We can't enter Obonge agreement with the Hausa people where they sell cow. They will bring cow where they will sell for the same market value where we say they take back for the place. Now this more ticket transport they will put, unlike the one where they will put for grand that day for Christmas. Say Christmas don't come, make we go hammer people. But this one, we will make sure Edo people get better value for the kind of money they want to spend. So anything you want to buy for Christmas and New Year shopping for that period, apart from the training we want to do for farmers and the people where they do processing for farming, that one will be from on the 10th all through to on the 20th of December. The place na Imagwero College for Saple Road for Benin City. The time it will start from in the morning for those number of days we want to have from 8 a.m. in the morning, go reach 6 p.m. in the evening, where people will do better business. In fact, Mandela just tell me yesterday, say some people will see the advert for Facebook, some transport company will see the advert for Facebook, come tell us say, they want to join. No, anybody will want to carry things where they buy for the market, go their house. 50% discount. The
one where they come here now, say they don't hear the sweet thing when they talk. You see how they do her for body now. How they want they join. You say no say na Imagoro. You get what they go follow. You get registration, training go day. wetin be the things how they wan take join.
For the people who want to contact anybody, they fit contact my office directly for Ministry of Wealth Creation. They go come see me because I open my door yakata down, make people come see me. The same thing I tell Mandela, any protector wey go for a door, make it go cut where that make dem cut and comot, so that people go enter your office once, go see am. So you fit see me, you fit see Mandela. If you never fit see two of us, you fit see one fine girl wey dem dey call Stephanie. We go give a number for here now. If you not fit see Stephanie, you go see Olumese. If you not fit see Olumese for Ministry of Wealth Creation, you go see Mr. Edionwe Joel for Ministry of Wealth Creation. If you waka go there, say you no wan make telephone, you go see them. But if na for telephone you want to make, we go give you Olumese number, we go give you Stephanie number. If na for Facebook, if na for Twitter, if na for Instagram, which other WhatsApp,
Facebook,
we'll give you the address. We
will
talk about here now.
Billboard.
We will still see the billboard we will go put for different places. So we will read all the things
before the 1st of December. All those ones will come up. So the first 100 people will register for that thing. We get special price for that. I also talk to some commission. No, I don't.
Yeah, be like say they see the one will be say society from where this one are from Akopava. You write them for English. You say, Oga Mandela, if I come join this program, is there any benefit for me?
You can either join as a participant, as person where you want concert, person where you want come back, or person where they sponsor or where they support us. And the thing I say, the beauty about this thing, why this thing better, when we start and be like small thing. Now people they call us, say we get this one, we want to support this one, we want to do this one, we want to do that one, we want to support you. So for me, we find we want to involve everybody where it's people focused. So for me, the handle for social media for Instagram now
at Edo Food Fair. By 1st of December, where this preparation don't reach on top, what they call top gear, you can see the names of our sponsors. Our sponsors now big companies, so like Presco, like Okomu, like Dufi, where they do Indomie and Minimi and Chin Chin, where they do power oil. You go see companies and bank like Sterling Bank, like Access Bank, like Fidelity Bank, like First Bank. You go see companies like Nosak Farms, where they do plenty cassava for Edo. You go see company like Osa Farm, where they do fresh tomatoes.
If we say we take all these obonge comments where we say people don't they write, so we know come up for this place. Or maybe now the questions where they ask. But it don't show where we say the way we take the jollificate to ourselves. Now so that place won't take be that day. Mama Sato, everybody with their house.
I don't sing that song again.
On 1 December, no nowhere go. On 1 December, no nowhere do. On 1 December, no.
On 1 December.
Don't come. And I mean before that Christmas, you don't come. But anyone I get it.
Okay, you don't show say this Christmas where they come, so it go shobolize, everything go sweet well. Because now this one we state government don't bring on give now. With the Ministry of Wealth Creation, that are the commissioner with there. And also the one with the on top social enterprise that
I'm gonna see my head.
Now they talk all these ones put for you.
Say,
Mama Sato, no disturb me if I reach out. And also I know say all your friends where they all of them don't happy. On top say they don't hear waiting. We ministry won't do. We government get for plan for now on top food. Now here we see the Tory reach on top how we government say they work. Waiting the plans where the government get for now. And I don't see say they put on a join on a plans. Join everything where they want to do. Say this Christmas, this New Year, as we enter the next year, we dey enter with plenty food bracketed for inside house. My name is Nima Shagumo, and until I in the 9 day, give una this obunge tori on top how government they work for una.